Hello my friends, in this training course we are going to make tutorial about Adobe Dimension. The Adobe Dimension actually is a 3D renderer. You can design your 3D scene and you can rendering a photorealistic image and you can publishing 3D content. Interactive 3D content is interesting, and mockups, and do a lot of things. For example, and you can render. You can simply add your model or in a library model of that. You can change the settings and simply go and hit and render. This user of dimension on a Nutter. As you can see, it has a lots of interesting render from that engine, Adobe Dimension. It's beautiful and you can do it very easily in Adobe Dimension. Okay, stay tuned with us for tutorial. We are going to explain all of those settings. That's very simple and straightforward. Thank you. Hello my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.